Hello dear followers of Design Mile. Today is a house tour. I'll show you how we decorated this beautiful house in Melbourne. Just quickly have a look how house looked before. And how it's looking now. So what we've done here with the kitchen, we replaced the bench top. It used to be 20mm bench top with a gap here. So we got rid of it and we installed this nice porcelain bench top with 40mm folded edge, which straight away gives a better look to the overall kitchen. Cabinets were repainted. As you can see, the paint is now looking much better than it used to be. We kept the handles, just refurbished them. What we've done here, we used to have this cabinet very low with a big gap between ceiling and cabinet, which didn't look good. So we increased the height of cabinet similar to this cabinet. So now it's all looking nice and cohesive. We did also house styling. We purchased these nice stools, which I'm loving. They're black, contrasting to bench top with wooden legs, which are looking really nice. Here we've got this cute board for making notes. This table you can actually extend to make it bigger. And what is really good about this table, that it's got this bench, which is not obstructing all the view to the kitchen, and more people can use this bench and you can take it in and out, so it's really nice space-saving item. We decorated this beautiful living room. We've got a lot of art which the owners of the house collected, so we located it in groups. Here's the most precious art. It looks really nice with this cute sofa. This table again contrasting black with this grey rug. Here we've got this very nice swivel chairs. Look at them. It's very nice and relaxing. We installed here this beautiful joinery unit. I really love the top, it matches the kitchen bench top, and it's got a lot of space inside, so these side sections can also be opened and you can keep stuff additionally there. Again, here we arranged gallery wall, and we kept the old bar, you know, like a precious item in the house. It gives a lot of character, and it's got some good memories for the owner. Decorated the house, give it a little bit of uplift. Let us know in the comments below how did you like the house transformation, and of course follow Studio Design Mile on Instagram, follow me, Ilute, on Instagram as well, and send us a message if you want to become our client. Thank you for watching.